I saw your question on the discussion board. It's about 7-2, number 12 in the homework. It's the last one. Time required for automotive center to complete an oil change on an automobile is approximately follows a normal distribution. Mean is 17 minutes. Standard deviation is 3. Chop that off. So the easiest way to do this with the normal calculator, you go in here, Stat Crunch, click on Stats, Calculators, and pick out the normal calculator. So I went ahead and put in the 17 for the mean and the 3 for standard deviation. The automotive center does not want to give the customer discount to customer more than 2%. Some sort of discount. They don't want to give it to more than 2%. So what you need to do is put the mean in, standard deviation in, put that 2% in. It's a decimal 0.02. That's this area over here on the right. So you got to make this to the right. So you get a little over 23 minutes, and they want you to round it up. So they just round this up to 24 minutes. So StatCrunch takes care of the calculations for you. Hope this helps.